In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume to LinkedIn if you want to make applying for jobs faster and keep your profile ready for recruiters. Uploading your resume to LinkedIn is a simple step that can save you time later. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can get it done quickly and confidently. To begin, sign into your LinkedIn account and look at the top navigation bar. From there, click on Jobs. This will take you to the section of LinkedIn that's focused on job searching, applications, and career-related settings. If you're on a desktop browser, this option is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Once you're in the Jobs section, look over to the left-hand side and click Preferences. This area contains settings related to your job search activity, including how LinkedIn stores and uses information for applications. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scan the left panel carefully. Next, click on Resumes and Application Data. This is the section where LinkedIn lets you manage documents and details that can be used when applying for jobs. It's the place where your saved resumes are stored, so if you plan to apply to multiple roles, this can be especially helpful. Here, click Upload Resume. A file window should open, allowing you to choose the resume file from your computer, select the correct version of your resume, and wait for it to finish uploading. It's a good idea to make sure your resume is updated before uploading it, so employers see your most current experience and skills. After the resume has been uploaded, find the option labeled Share Resume with Hirers and enable the switch. Turning this on allows recruiters or hiring teams to access the resume you've uploaded in situations where LinkedIn uses that information during the hiring process. If visibility and convenience are important to you during your job search, this setting can be useful. Once that's done, click Done to save everything. And that's it. Your resume is now uploaded to LinkedIn. This is a quick setup step, but it can make the application process smoother and help you stay prepared when new opportunities come up. If needed, you can always return to the same section later to replace your resume with a newer version.